This Tata Retirement Savings Fund. This fund is basically has been designed as a structured suite of structured suite of plans where people can continue to invest money for building up a corpus for their retirement. Essentially, the idea of launching this fund is that there is inflation which eats into the real value of money. The longevity of people, the lifespan of people is increasing. Also, as old age comes, the medical care costs have been going up. Therefore, people need to plan for their retirement. They need to keep saving for retirement, and this fund really essentially comes in play for that. There are 3 plans in this fund. There is a progressive plan, which is a more equity-oriented plan where 85% plus of the fund is invested in equities. There's a moderate plan in which 65 to 85% of the fund is invested in equities. And there's a conservative plan in which less than 30% of the fund is invested in equities. So an investor can choose to be in whatever plan he wants to be and continue to save money for his retirement. The investor can also choose to be in auto asset allocation mode, whereby up to 45 years of age, the person's money in the fund would be in the progressive plan, which basically means because the person is younger, he has many more years of working life left. Therefore, up to 85% of the fund he can invest in equities, so he can be in that progressive plan. When he becomes 45 years of age, because of auto asset allocation plan, the money would move into a moderate plan where the equity component would come down to between 65 to 85%. On turning 60 years of age, the person's plan would move into a conservative plan, and where the equity component would further come down from 20 to 30%. So the idea of this fund is that people just keep on focusing on saving money and investing for retirement, and the asset allocation for people is done on an automatic basis. And research has shown that the biggest difference to a person's wealth really comes from asset allocation, and this fund is really geared for that. So we are encouraging people to save systematically, because in India, social security system is weak. The joint families are withering away, nuclear families are coming up. Therefore, people should continue to save for retirement on a monthly basis and continue to put money aside for retirement. The other feature of this fund, which is different from some of the other retirement plans, is that in this particular fund, the equity component is going to be higher. So if you have some other retirement plans which are there for investors or for people, the equity component is far less. And as we all know, that equity in the longer term generates superior returns. So of course, equity markets has a lot of volatility, but longer the time horizon, and if an investor can take that volatility in the longer term, equity is able to create significant wealth for investors. Therefore, this is one retirement plan where investor will continue to save for retirement in a plan which is more aggressive towards equities, more than some of the other retirement plans on offer, and one can continue to save and accumulate a corpus which would help him once the person retires.